Hi everyone, thought I'd give you a little update on the Morris Minor restoration. I've reached a temporary halt for a couple of reasons. Firstly, the car is now ready to go to the paint shop. It needs bodywork and paint, and I've kind of reached a hiatus. And secondly, my wife and I are going to do a big walk in the UK this year from Land's End to Edinburgh, and so that's going to take us a few months. So I don't expect to get back into the restoration of the Morris until September or so. I do have a couple of videos in the pipeline which I'll try to post over the next month or so if I can. So check out our blog at walkleejog.com. There's a link below. I'm not sure what the intersection is of people who are interested in Morris Minor videos and people who are interested in hiking, but somewhere in that Venn diagram there's probably a subset of people that are interested in both. So take a look, check it out. I'm not sure if I've discussed this before, but I bought this car in 2015 from a lady in Pasadena. The car had been sitting for 20 years, and I was really looking forward to it as a stress reducer, to be honest, from work, and also as a learning project. And I certainly have learned a lot. As you might have seen, my father-in-law appears in the videos sometimes. He's been a great help and a great teacher. I also took some welding classes. My welding has been, I would say, acceptable. I haven't done too much structural welding, so I think that's going to be okay. I've done pretty much all I can before paint, so the entire underside has been cleaned and painted, de-rusted and welded where necessary. Suspension is back on. As you can see, we painted the wheel arches, painted the inside, removed pretty much everything. I think everything is off the car. Everything that's been taken off the car has been either replaced or it's been refurbished and painted and put away in boxes. The garage is full of labelled boxes full of stuff. So I'm looking forward to the point where when it comes back from the body shop, hopefully before the end of 2021, then I can start to work on more of the mechanicals, work on the engine, fuel system, electrics, etc. And then finally the interior. So that'll be a good journey. There will be plenty of videos coming up, I hope, from the fall onwards. So look forward to seeing you there. I would like to say thank you to everyone that's subscribed to the videos, everyone that's liked, and indeed everyone that's viewed the videos. Comments are really appreciated. Thank you so much for that. It's really encouraging. Also, I've had a lot of help from the Morris Minor Forum and the Morris Minor Owners Club in the UK. It really is a wealth of information, and I'm really grateful to the people that have contributed comments and given me advice. That's really good, really helpful. I'm not sure I could have got this far without it. So, long way to go, but there we are. That's the status. Do check out the walking blog, and look forward to seeing you later in the year.